In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add store policies to your Shopify store. Clear policies build trust, reduce support questions, and help your store look professional. By the end, you'll have your key policies written, linked in your footer, and visible to shoppers where they expect to find them. Start in your Shopify admin, open your Shopify Store dashboard and look for the Settings button, typically at the lower left corner. Click Settings, then select Policies. This page is where you can add the main policy pages your customers need: refund or return policy, privacy policy, shipping policy, and terms of service. Click into each policy field and write or paste your content. Keep it clear and friendly, explain what customers can expect, and avoid confusing legal jargon. For returns, specify conditions and timeframes. For shipping, outline processing times and carriers. For privacy, explain what data you collect and why. For terms, summarize acceptable use and limitations. When you're happy with the wording, click Save so your changes are stored. Once done, you'll add these policies to your store's footer menu so they're easy to find. In your admin, click Content. Next, click Menus. Open the footer menu. Here, add the policy you just created by creating a new menu item and linking it to the corresponding policy page. Give each item a clear label, like privacy policy or refund policy, so customers know exactly what they're clicking. Arrange the items in a sensible order and save your menu when you're finished. This ensures the menu knows where to point each link. Now go to your store and make sure your footer displays these links cleanly. Click Add block under the footer and choose the appropriate block that shows policy or menu links, then place it where you want it to appear. Keep an eye on spacing and readability. If your theme allows, keep the text size consistent with the rest of the footer. Double-check on mobile to confirm the links are easy to tap and the footer isn't overcrowded. Refresh your storefront and click each link to confirm it opens the correct policy page. That's it. You've added your store policies, linked them in your footer menu, and made them visible to your customers. This small update goes a long way toward building trust and reducing pre-sale and post-sale questions. Save your changes, review your wording periodically, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching and happy selling.